Struggling with tiny MacBook Pro screens? Imagine workspace clarity so crisp it feels like magic. Today, we reveal the top 6 best monitors for MacBook Pro. Every choice worth your money. Stay tuned for honest picks and buy through links in the description to upgrade your setup instantly. On number 6 is BenQ 32-inch. Imagine doubling your MacBook Pro screen real estate and suddenly feeling relief wash over you every time you open a project. That's the first breath you take with the BenQ 32-inch display designed to work beautifully with Mac OS. Most MacBook users hit a wall with tiny screens and chaotic workflows, and this monitor addresses those frustrations head-on by delivering a 4K canvas that feels expansive yet crisp, with color fidelity that matches the MacBook's wide gamut almost seamlessly thanks to modes tailored for Apple devices. Its USB-C connectivity with power delivery and multiple ports means one cable handles video, power, and peripherals, reducing desk clutter, a practical win every day. Compared to other contenders in the top 6 best monitor for MacBook Pro lists, it's brighter and more vivid than budget options, though pros chasing perfect calibration might crave even deeper color tools. Overall, this screen turns daily tasks into joy and gives your MacBook Pro the stage it deserves. At number 5 is KTC 27-inch. Imagine looking at your MacBook Pro screen and feeling like productivity and gaming are trapped in a tiny box. That's the everyday frustration until you plug in the KTC 27-inch monitor from our top 6 best monitor for MacBook Pro lineup. Right away, the 27-inch QHD panel bursts into view with sharp 2560 by 1440 detail and vibrant hues that make spreadsheets sing and games pop. Its fast IPS panel with up to 180 Hz refresh and 1 meter-second response time delivers silky motion whether you're editing videos or dropping into battle, and adaptive sync keeps those visuals tight and tear-free. Ergonomics are user-friendly, and the sleek, slim design feels right next to your MacBook. Compared with other monitors in the same category, it blends performance and price better than many, though absolute pro-level color calibration gear isn't here, and built-in speakers are modest at best. If your goal is wider workspace and fluid motion on a 27-inch display that simply feels right with your MacBook Pro, this KTC screen hits a sweet spot many users crave. At number 4 is LG 27-inch. You might not expect a gaming-centric LG display to also transform your MacBook Pro workspace, but the LG 27-inch Ultra Gear QHD monitor hits the sweet spot where speed meets substance, and that's exactly why it appears in many conversations about the top 6 best monitor for MacBook Pro setups. Before upgrading, most MacBook users feel boxed in by limited screen space and sluggish motion in high-intensity games or video edits. This 27-inch panel pushes QHD visuals with a 180 Hz refresh rate overclockable to 200 Hz and a swift 1 meter-second response, so motion stays fluid whether you're gaming or scrolling through large Figma files. The IPS display covers vivid colors with HDR10 and around 99% sRGB, giving life to photos and videos that look washed out elsewhere. Compared to other 27-inch options, it leans more playful, great for gaming and casual creative work, though fewer Mac-friendly ports mean adapters are often needed. Still, if you crave a screen that feels alive and gives your MacBook Pro room to stretch, this LG display delivers bright, smooth detail worth exploring. On number 3 is Samsung ViewFinity. You might not expect a curved screen to instantly make your MacBook Pro feel like a command center, but that's exactly the shift you get when you plug into the Samsung ViewFinity, a standout choice in many top 6 best monitor for MacBook Pro discussions. Before upgrading, most MacBook owners wrestle with cramped visuals and constant window juggling. This ultra-wide 34-inch ViewFinity expands your workspace with a 21:9 Ultra WQHD panel and gentle 100 Hz refresh, giving you room to draft documents, edit video timelines, and juggle tabs without fatigue. Rich HDR10 color and deep contrast bring films and creative work to life, and its curved design feels like your eyes are wrapped in the content rather than peering at it. Compared with other monitors in this category, some users report quirky USB-C or camera quirks with certain ViewFinity models, and occasional setup headaches on Macs without Apple Silicon. But when it syncs right, it reshapes how you work and play. If your goal is a single vista that blends desk productivity and immersive visuals for your MacBook Pro, this ViewFinity hits many of those notes with personality and scale. At number 2 is BenQ 4K. You expect sharp visuals from a 4K screen, but when you plug the BenQ 32-inch 4K UHD monitor into your MacBook Pro and watch every pixel come to life, the relief of finally seeing your work the way you imagined hits instantly. And that's exactly why it keeps showing up on lists of the top 6 best monitor for MacBook Pro choices. MacBook users often hit a wall with small displays and inconsistent color, especially when editing photos photos or videos? BenQ answers that with wide 4K resolution, bright HDR support, and a panel that nails around 99% sRGB and 97% DCI-P3 for vibrant, true-to-life hues. USB-C connectivity with power delivery streamlines your desk and keeps your laptop topped up through a single cable. Compared with some rivals, it leans more neutral than punchy, which creatives appreciate but gamers might miss. It's a practical, immersive upgrade that feels like finally breathing fresh air after staring at cramped screens. Now moving to the last one is SANSUI 240Hz. What if one display could make your MacBook Pro feel bigger, faster, and more alive, not just marginally better? The SANSUI 34-inch 240Hz ultra-wide monitor throws open that door by giving you a sweeping 21:9 UW QHD display that makes work, games, and multitasking feel more fluid than ever, which is exactly why it's often mentioned among the top 6 best monitor for MacBook Pro setups. Many MacBook users start with cramped screens and sluggish visuals, especially when juggling timelines or high-res content. Here, the 240Hz refresh rate and 1 meter-second response time keep motion crisp and blur-free, while the curved panel pulls you in. HDR support and a wide color range add punch, though the VA panel can show slight smearing in very fast scenes and built-in audio is absent. Compared with other ultra-wides, it delivers serious screen real estate on a budget. If you crave broad views and buttery motion for your MacBook Pro, whether editing, gaming, or multitasking, this SANSUI choice delivers an immersive experience that truly feels expansive. After comparing all 6, the SANSUI 34-inch 240Hz ultra-wide monitor emerges as the most compelling choice for many MacBook Pro users. Its sweeping 21:9 UW QHD panel and ultra-smooth 240Hz refresh deliver immersive multitasking and fluid motion whether you're editing, gaming, or streaming. The curved design boosts productivity by letting you view more content at once and reducing eye strain. While ultra-wide monitors can vary in text clarity on macOS, this SANSUI balances performance and price better than others on the top 6 list, offering standout visuals and responsiveness without overspending. Ideal if you want a bigger, faster workspace that elevates your MacBook Pro experience. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best monitor for MacBook Pro. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.